Welcome to life. It's Anthony Scott, and you're here because you need money for it. What is the world's best, easiest screen recorder that you can do it, possibly even for free or just trial version or just sign up for it? It's awesome. World's best screen recorder, look no further than this little guy called Descript. Whether you do it from a free account or a paid account, you're going to want to come in here, new project, go to video project. Okay, now I am using the simple K66 studio mic. This is ordered from Amazon. And then you're going to click record, pick screen, and then you're going to click continue in browser. Now, of course, it will give you Descript's desktop version. I'm going to click continue in browser. Do you want to record a window or entire screen? If I was you, I would just record a screen and click OK. That's going to create an infinity screen because I am also recording with Descript while showing Descript. But if I come over here and I come over to new incognito window and I type in Descript and I go here and I can look at the pricing currently. It'll give you an option that you can buy annually. If you pay monthly, this is what you're looking at. The annual price is way better. I'm an affiliate for Descript, so you can check out my link below. Besides that, I just love Descript because it cuts out the spaces out of your training videos. If you make money off courses or create digital leverage by creating assets, screen recording is an asset. Descript is so easy to use. Once I'm done with my recording, this makes sense and we are good to go. Now for your export settings, you can upload it directly to YouTube. What I like to do is if you're going to send this to a client for them to download, you can just do it easily with this link and email that to them. You can just send them the link however you want. You can upload directly to Google Drive, eWebinar, Restream, Headliner, Blueberry, YouTube, and local export if you want the video on your hard drive, in which this case I do. Then for resolution, I'm going to select max 1080p, quality high, and audio. I'm going to make sure that's good. -16 LUFS. That's for YouTube. That's perfect for YouTube. 256 is looking like the max right here. And let's see, audio. Let's just make sure that, yep. Okay, good. And now I hit export and just tell it where I want it to go. I'm going to put it in my, look at all my work. Crazy. I'm going to put it in my CIA YouTube file. This is my course Income Accelerator, where I teach people how to use tools like Descript to make courses and how to create digital leverage by creating assets. So I think for this one's going to be called, let's see, how to edit YouTube videos with Descript, right? I'm going to hit enter and I'm going to select that as my main destination and click export. Let's see. Yep, MP4 video and good. Do you want to replace it? No. Oh, YT screen recording 1. Save and export. But guys, Descript for everything you need. I hope you found this training video awesome. Leave a comment and let me know what screen recorder you like and why. Later, guys.